Friends, today we will understand the meaning of a company. The word company comes from two Latin words. In ancient times, it referred to people who shared meals together, symbolizing trust and cooperation. In modern business, a company is an association of persons who come together to conduct a business or undertake an economic activity. Unlike a partnership or sole proprietorship, a company has a legal identity of its own and functions according to the provisions of company law. According to the Companies Act 2013, a company is simply a company incorporated under the Companies Act or any previous company law. A more descriptive definition explains that a company is an association of persons who pool their money or assets into a common fund, use it for carrying on business, and share the profits or losses generated by that business. Thus, a company provides a legal structure for conducting business efficiently. Before studying the features of a company, let us understand three important terms. First is capital, which is the money contributed by members for running the business. Second are members, who invest this capital and become owners of the company. Third are shares. The total capital of the company is divided into small units called shares. Each share represents a member's ownership in the company. The more shares a person holds, the greater their ownership. Now let us discuss the important features of a company. A company enjoys a separate legal identity, meaning it is different from its shareholders. The liability of members is limited to the unpaid amount on their shares. A company has perpetual succession, so it continues to exist even if shareholders or directors change. The company can own property in its own name, independent of its members. Traditionally, companies used a common seal as their official signature. However, after the Companies Amendment Act 2015, the common seal became optional, and documents may instead be signed by authorized directors or the company secretary. Shares of a public company are generally freely transferable, making it easier for investors to buy and sell ownership. Finally, the company has the legal capacity to sue others or be sued in its own name, just like any legal person. These characteristics distinguish a company from other forms of business organizations. A company is a legally recognized business organization having a separate legal identity, limited liability, perpetual existence, and the ability to own property, enter into contracts, and conduct business independently of its members. Thanks for watching.